Hey, this is CeoTrades, where money works for you here with your market update very quickly here. Now, let's take a look. Professional forecasters' probability of a recession in the next 4 quarters ahead is highly likely than it has been in the last 50 years. Highly likely. You can see the charts here since 1970 to the current right now, which is 2022. And you can see that it is as high as it was in the 1978-ish range or so. That's how high the recession rate is right now, and that's some shows a lot of concern for us, the individuals that are consuming out there. Now, what is the shock in reference to food? Now, this is how price inflation has been in since 91, and currently it is the highest it's ever been. And you can see the comparison. US is in the dark color, which is down here. Yellow is the UK, and the light blue is Germany. That is the inflation shock continues as food price inflation has immensely increased since the 1991, since records were done. And you can see it has almost equaled when it was in 1980, in 2008, 2008. And now we're looking here in the last since 2019, these are the amount of crypto exchanges that have been removed, a total of 68 since 2019. 68 either bogus or questionable crypto exchanges have been removed. I don't know exactly the numbers. Some of these information I've been taking from Telenews, which is a Spanish news source that I rely on for information. One other information here that's very important for us to follow is in reference to Apple, and you can see that Apple iPhones at major China plant could fall 30% among COVID curves. And this is lately, this was published actually today as you are listening to this message here. Now, in reference to Apple, I'd like to show you its chart. Give me a second here so that I can share my screen in reference to the chart. You can see it's pretty much on a consolidating path. This is for the last year that I'm looking here, but it's pretty much consolidated in a year's time. It hasn't moved much. It was last year at 149. It's somewhere around 153 right now. If we look at the daily chart, you can see it's pretty much consolidated. And I don't always like to look at that chart, the minute chart. Here we can see a huge consolidation path. I believe that Apple will drop in the next day or two a bit. It might even go way down. Why? Because production is down. Demand is down for the iPhone 14, and there are two top executives that are leaving the retail chain of Apple, and I believe this will affect the prices. So this is CeoTrades. I believe that in the next 2 days, as the Feds get ready, there's an 80% chance, according to some news statistics, that the markets will drop immensely. Get ready, get set, because it might be an opportune time to invest. If you're not in the market yet, get ready. That might be your call. This is CeoTrades, where money works for you. Until the next one, this is your brief market update.